How's it going, YouTube? I've got a really quick little video for you, but some of you might find it useful. I've just done a video on jump starting and flat batteries and things, and because I've had a flat battery, my windows are not working how they're supposed to be. As you can see, the one touch is not working. If I press it down all the way, normally when you press it all the way down, the window will go all the way down automatically. The same going up. I can pull it and it stops when you let go. So what we do, starting from the closed position, open the window all the way, count to 5, 3, 4, 5, close the window all the way to the top, count to 5, 3, 4, 5, and then it'll be working. Sorted. Super quick little tip. Catch you guys next time. Cheers.